Hello, I'm Dr. Sarita Joshi. I'm HOD Nagartantra and Vyavhar Ayurved. Welcome to my channel. In the last lecture, we have started with the medico-legal aspect regarding infanticide. Means, if the infant dies in a suspicious circumstances, then the alleged mother and the alleged child is seen. In the alleged mother, the recent delivery signs are seen and her mental status is seen. And regarding the alleged child, we have to see whether the child was stillborn, whether the child was deadborn, whether the child was born alive, or if the child was born alive, then how long the child was alive and what was the cause of the death of the child. So the first topic we are going to deal with is the stillborn. What is stillborn? Stillborn is the one who is born after 28 weeks of pregnancy. Now see, the fetus is alive in the uterus or the womb, but the fetus, or I should say the child, dies during the process of the birth. After the birth, no signs of life is seen in the child. Means there will be no respiration, etc. So, what are the causes of the stillborn? The causes of the stillborn are premature child. So, premature child may be by birth and by weight. So, the child is weak. So, that is the reason that the child may die during the process of the birth. Second is the birth trauma, especially intracranial hemorrhage due to excessive molding. Third one is the toxemia in the pregnancy. So, as toxemia develops in the pregnancy, the mother can go into preeclampsia and eclampsia. And during the labor, if the mother goes in eclampsia, she will have convulsions. So, due to the convulsions, the fetus can die during the process of the birth. Another reason is anoxia, that is deficiency of the oxygen. If the umbilical cord is coiled around the neck of the fetus, then during the process of the birth, the child can die. Now, the other reason is placental deformities. So, due to placental deformities also, the child can die during the process of the birth. And the other supportive reasons are, for example, the mother is having chronic diseases like tuberculosis and acute diseases like typhoid, pneumonia. In this case, the child will also be affected, and so the child will be weak, and so during the process of birth, the child may die. Now we will deal with the deadborn. Now, deadborn means that the fetus dies in the uterus only. And so, what are the signs and symptoms which will be seen in the deadborn? So, first sign will be rigor mortis. After the delivery, the child will be having rigor mortis, means the body will be stiff. Then after some times, the body will relax. The second sign you will see is the maceration. Maceration becomes evident after 24 hours after the death of the fetus in the womb. What are the signs of the maceration? The skin, on the skin of the child, red or purple color blisters will be there, will be filled of serous fluid. The abdomen will be distended and serous cavities will be filled with the turbid fluid. There will be a sweetish and disagreeable odor. The umbilical cord will be red, soft, smooth and thick. So this is regarding maceration. Now comes mummification. If the amniotic fluid is scanty, then the skin of the child will be dry and shriveled. So this is about the mummification. A Spalding sign is seen. Spalding sign means there will be loss of alignment and there will be overlapping of the bones in the cranial vault due to shrinkage of the cerebrum. So this is regarding the deadborn. According to Ayurveda, what are the causes? So improper diet, which is called as improper ahar. Improper Vihar means improper lifestyle. Then deformity or disorders in the fetus. Then abnormal position of the mother. Psychological disorders in the mother. These are the causes of the dead born according to Ayurveda. And what are the signs seen? So absence of the movement of the fetus, absence of the labor pain, and there will be a typical foul smell in the expiration of the mother. So this is regarding the dead born. In the next lecture, we will deal about whether the child was alive. Till then, please do share, subscribe. Thank you.